shout out to our friends and our family. Some of them are in the audience right now. Of course, that includes you guys, because you guys are like extended family. Family. That was nice, that was nice. But yes, I was saying, I think the next song we should dedicate to all of those guys, because over the last 6-7 years, everything we did was to make them proud, right?
When my strength was gone and I just gave up on life, in my darkest place you were my guide. And you told me that I should live my life to the limit. When you fall down, get back up and fight. Yeah. What a shame of my heart, don't lie. I could tell you trust me.